Nansha Bird Park is a center for the unique variety and diverse bird species preservation, as well as tourism attraction for domestic and international tourists, and known as the bird paradise of the Earth's kidney. Nansha Bird Park is located in Guangdong, China, exactly at the mouth of Pearl River at the southern end of Guangzhou. It is close to the ocean and has a good natural ecological environment. Sanctuary, the Waterfront birdwatching platform. 避难所水鸟世界生态园 Every living thing is a space for shelter. Birds with their nests and humans with their homes. Sanctuary comes as an interpretation of the need for a safe space to ensconce and relaxation for both humans and the birds. This sanctuary is designed as a shelter for visitors to enjoy the natural wetland panorama in Nansha Bird Park, and also as a camouflage for visitors so they wouldn't be visible by the birds and the birds wouldn't feel threatened by the presence of the visitors. The concept that we use for this sanctuary is by analogizing the flying bird into their nest. We take the basic shape of the nest itself, which is a circle, to be used as the basic shape of the layout. Then, the bird's wings inspire us for this bamboo installation mesh form. Through the bamboo slat gaps and windows that we designed, visitors can see the birds dancing and hear them sing in harmony. We think that's how we should enjoy the nature. Contextual thinking process. Mass transformation. Construction assembly. Prototype making. Sanctuary, the Waterfront birdwatching platform.